Hello everybody. Yo, 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 what's up? Hello. Welcome back to the unit. I'm back from China. And my house didn't get robbed because none of you knew I was there, I don't think. Did the absolute ultimate sneak there. So today, we're going to be doing a little bit on Le Peugeot, as you might have seen written on that desk over there. I'm going to try to get the vast majority of it done because I can't be bothered to keep working on this car now. After being away for like 2 and a bit weeks, I kind of want to start on my other cars. So let's get this one wrapped up, ready for Auto Alex's show at the weekend. Cannot wait. It's the sound of the French. And yeah. Now, if there's any youths out there, for this job, I was going to use a thing called a book. Yep, Haynes manual. Old school, what we used before Google. And with this, you have to open it up and read it. Much like the internet, but you get to hold this thing in your hands. It's pretty good. Had to have a little dig around to try and find some of the things. Never worked on a Peugeot before, but thankfully the Haynes manual is super good. And I had to look for those jacket points, baby. You can jack this bitch from the front. Come on. That is gangster. Vehicle diagrams as well. Now, grabbing my Dr. Pepper, it was time to get Pierre up in the air. Now, the book said you can use a massive bit of wood, so I was like, oh, okay, that doesn't sound safe. I like the idea of that. So we just did it, and it worked absolutely amazing. See? Got to read a book occasionally. As I've never actually done anything on a Peugeot before, I first need to find where the frickin' oil filter is and where the drain plug is. So I'm going to get underneath to the old 621 snappy off, and we're going to try and find these 2 things real quick, because I have no idea where they are. Okay, drain bolt is there, but there's 2 of them. So we'll undo the bottom one. And then, there's the oil filter. Can you see it? The fuck? Oh, it's there. Okay, it's in the front. Okay, we've got our first issue. I do not have the correct tool to do this stupid service. If we go there, look, it's just a square. And I don't have a square. Okay, all is not lost. Okay, so Ian, Wand Wizard, who fixed up my 350Z, I just rang him and I said, can I bring this over tomorrow? Because he has the tools we need to do the frickin' bolt, which is amazing because he said yes. So we're going to chuck everything in the car. I'll see you guys in the morning where we're going to have a little adventure up to Ian's place. Peugeot is definitely the best car they're going to have in their workshop this week. And we'll have a little catch up with them. We'll get this piece ready for the event, and we'll also be able to finalise the stickers and stuff I've got to go on it. It's going to look wicked. I actually can't wait. They're really cute stickers, so don't worry, that's not going to ruin it. And yeah, I guess tomorrow we tax and insure the car, and away we go. Sick. See you in the morning. Yes, good morning, everybody. Look, we're in driving Pierre. This is the first drive in 3 years, and I'm on the A12, and we're going 60-something mile an hour. This is awesome. It's quite slow, I'm not gonna lie. I guess it must be a 4-speed auto, because like we're sat at 3,000 RPM at about 60 mile an hour. I'd probably guess the speedo isn't exactly accurate. Yeah, it is what it is, but I tell you what, handling wise with these new tyres, unbelievable. I have to say as well, I've managed to get rid of the smell, and I'll show you what I used. They did used to give me a discount code. I doubt it will work anymore, but we'll try and have a look. It was a long time ago I got it, but it was this cloud burst stuff, and it smells amazing in here now, even with the windows done up. So this is the first drive of Pierre, and we're on the way to Ian Waddington's place. It's going to be mega. I can't wait to have a bit of company while working on the car. Pierre, new lease of life. And then we're off to Shedfest, baby. I'm so excited. It's my first car show in ages, so I'm actually like genuinely looking forward to it. Oh, we're in the fast lane. We're in the fast lane, people. Can it get to 70? Let's have a look. We're nearly at 70. We are on the speedo at 70 mile an hour. So scary. Oh yeah, I'll tell you what, it's all right. Let me give you a quick review. Steering, good. Good. As good as a Peugeot estate is going to be from 1993. Seats, unbelievably comfortable. Oh my goodness me. I am in luxury. It's definitely the most comfortable car I have, which is kind of embarrassing when you daily drive a nice modern BMW, I guess. But these seats are amazing. I'm not even lying. The suspension is very comfortable too. Bear in mind, this car is 31 years old. She's old, boy. She's old. Overall, I'm actually buzzing with it. I think it's really good. Although I have to tell you, insurance is £100 more on this than my Civic, and this has got no mods, and my Civic has 4 mods declared, roll cage the lot, which I thought was kind of crazy. Tax £189 for 6 months, so it's not that cheap. But I've paid it anyway. I'm doing it monthly, so we can cancel it if we need to. But I forgot to ask if I've got European cover on the insurance, so I might just send it anyway and see what happens. I'm actually heading up to Leicester on the Friday night, buzzing for it. Honestly, I can't wait. Meeting up with Luke Ship, who's a fellow YouTuber and fellow Arsenal fan. Although I think I am going to go up to the wow, an old 8 Series, sick. I think I'm going to go up to the King Power Stadium. Oh man, Pierre, we've sat in the fast lane for ages now, boy. It feels fine. We're sat at 3,499 revs by the looks of it. Can't hear a thing. There is a lot of rattling in here, but I don't know what that is. But anyway, let's go, baby. A successful first drive in Pierre. That was 25 miles, got me to DSR Motorsport, where I got to see my old mate, Ian Waddington, at One Wizard on Instagram. He wasn't feeling too good, so I didn't want to bother him too much today, but I definitely needed to steal his tools. So we got Pierre in, and I got started. So I've made it DRS Motorsport. Ian's over here. DRS Motorsport. DSR. What did I say? DRS. And it's DSR. DSR. I've made it to DSR Motorsport. Ian's monging, so he's got me the tool ready. This is literally the reason I've come to annoy him today. Let's get under the car and, oh, have you got a pot I can put the oil in? Yes. God, that was lucky. Nearly. Oh God, that's going to be so gross. That will land in there, won't it? Should do. Right, let's hope for the best. Oh no, I've dropped your fucking thing in there straight away! Oh, okay, that came out way easy, okay. Man, I didn't realise how much thread was on one of these freaking bolt things, because this is like sped up to times 8! Oh. That was hot as well. Divvy. Oh God, pissing. Well, that was messy, but she's coming off. I'm lucky that wasn't super boiling. Get out, and then we'll get the oil filter off, and we'll top her up with new stuff. Lovely. Stage 1 done. That was all I needed. That stupid little bolt. I probably could have done that better, couldn't I? Right. So the oil is just dripping now. So that's all good. We've got to get that oil filter that is up in there off. And Ian says he's got the tool. He's had to run off and grab a parcel. So we'll wait till he gets back, because it'd be much easier with a tool instead of faffing around. But look at Ian's tool setup, mate. Can you see this? Hang on. I would kill for something like this. The old Peugeot, get in there now. And after the initial drive today, I feel very, very confident about taking it up to Leicester this weekend for Shedfest. Like I said, I'm going up on Friday night, meeting up with my mate Luke Ship. I think we'll take his little Honda Acti up to the football ground. He just texted me saying I'll be well up for taking it to the ground. We'll look for my name there. I'll wear my old retro Leicester shirt just for the family ties. Even though I'm an Arsenal fan, but don't tell anyone. And then, yeah, it'll be good. Leicester are the only other team I don't mind wearing their jersey. So we've got beautiful Pierre getting some love in. In fact, we should probably... The engine's still real hot. Damn. Okay, we'll let that cool down for a minute. And then, actually, has he got 10 mil I can borrow real quick? Bro, look at this. I want your setup, Ian. It's that way around. You know, I bought one of them like electric ratchets the other week, the Milwaukee one. Yeah. Game changer. Oh my God, it makes life actually fun to work on cars now. I couldn't believe it. Oh, this is coming off a dream. I'm worried it's going to piss oil everywhere, but... There we go. Oh. Look how rusty it is.
That's never been changed.
Look at that. That is 80,000 miles of French fucking goodness, that is. What brand is it? Perflux. Nice. Pretty warm. Cool. Out she comes.
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Part of the breather, isn't it?
So we put the oil in there?
Well, yeah, because if you look, there's a rubber hose that's very squished and brittle that it goes straight to the block, bottom of the block.
Okay.
So
I was gonna say, 'cause
it
there's no
all
oil.
works as one in there. Look. It's a breather.
Oh,
it's a breather, and it does.
That is gross.
Oil filler.
Beautiful machine. Let's compare these real quick. Look at that. Bad boy. They're a different internal though. Do you reckon it's going to be... It'll be alright, won't it?
Yeah, I'll say so.
Right, you lovely lot, while I do the most basic job in the entire world, I wanted to just quickly say, if you've been watching the videos recently, I really appreciate it. I've been having a lot of fun back on YouTube again, especially making the videos like we are now. And I think Pierre is only giving me even more love for this. I can't wait to get to Shedfest. I'm trying to get this up before I even get there. So if you see the video before the event and see the car, come over, say hello. I really want to get to know you guys that do watch the videos. I really am so grateful for you guys tuning back in again. I know I've been a bit hot and cold with the old YouTube channel over the years, but I'm really enjoying it again, and hopefully it's showing through in the videos. So we're jumping back in right now. Everything's hooked up, done the sump plug up. Put oil in it. Put the oil filter on. Come on, Pierre. Job done, I reckon. We're doing that spark plugs. Leave them.
I don't know. I'd kill it. I don't know.
Okay, car has been serviced. Ian has just spilt coffee everywhere. Wasn't me making a mess for a change. And car's now got oil in it. Lovely jubbly. Happy days. Would like that to sit up a little bit more. I'm not going to lie. I don't really know how I'm going to be able to do that, but it is what it is. But yeah, oil change done. Pierre runs and lives. Lovely. I've got a couple of tiny bits to do before we get out of Ian's hair. First off, I'm going to quickly spray some adhesive in the boot. So let's do that real quick. Got this off Amazon. Okay. Oh! That's great. I mean, really just gotta... No one's gonna fucking look, are they? Just gotta not be annoying. Oh my god! Oh! Oh, I touched it! Oh no, that's gross! Actually, that's actually worked really well. That's worked so well! Oh my goodness! Fuck it, that'll do. That'll do. Right. Look at that. That's basically mint. Job done. That'll do. Smells so rancid, dude. Oh, let's get out over here. I don't even know what the point of that stuff is. Cool. Another job. Kind of successful. I mean, better than it was. Mint. Okay, last thing to do. Ian's favourite out of all of my mods. You should have seen his face when I showed you. I thought you were going to love this.
I'm just not sure. I don't know. I mean, I work on real race cars every day, and
This is a real race car. What are you saying about?
that to me is just defacing Pierre.
Yeah, but you've got to wait and see. Rally graphics, baby. I don't actually know how they go on. We're going to have to Google it. I don't know where they go. I don't know. I've never seen a rally in person.
I've never seen anyone put rally graphics on a Peugeot 30.
205, have some respect.
205?
405, have some respect. Look, I'm going to level with you. I got these off eBay. They're not the genuine article. The genuine ones were about £800, I think, from looking. And I was like, yep, nope, that's not a thing that's going to happen. But after I had to sell my wonderful French hot hatch, my Renault Clio F1 in liquid yellow, I knew I had to make Pierre somewhat hot without actually doing anything. The reason I'm doing this on such a budget is, number one, I just want to have a little bit of light-hearted fun with the car. I wanted it not to be an insanely expensive, hard-working project. I just wanted to have a little bit of fun and enjoy it. So that is why we've gone this route with Pierre instead of slamming it at final wheels. And I have to say, the overall effect of just these stupid decals made my day. I loved it, and I hope you love it too. Pierre's bringing a big smile to my life, and I hope he does the same for you guys. Yes, there we have it. With the thanks to Ian for lending me his unit and a bit of a hand today, Pierre is now absolutely ready for Shedfest. He has got the fresh little oil change I wanted to do. We didn't do the spark plugs because I was too scared that they were going to snap off inside the engine blocks. We just kind of left them until later. So hopefully we won't have any problems. He doesn't misfire anyway, so he's all good. We now have the fresh rally decals on the old boy as well. I think they look really cool. I actually don't hate them at all like I thought I was going to. The only one I don't like is the one on the back. So on my way back, I've come because I don't like the rally sticker. I'm not going to lie, I don't like it. So I've made a Pierre sticker out of the rally graphics. So there we have it. Pierre is going on. It's actually a bit bigger than the rally, but it'll be good. That is so much better. Oh, I'm so happy now. Back to me doing the outro. But Pierre's now ready for Shedfest. Can relax for a few days now. Get stuck into the M3 again. But the next video you're going to see is Shedfest. I'm buzzing. Head up to Auto Alex's show at Mallory Park. It's going to be buzzing. And I'll see you there. Anyway, I've got to drive home now. I can't wait. I love Pierre. He is mega. Cheers for watching, peeps. I'll see you in the next one. What is that?